Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to plot a box plot. Okay, box plot consists of a box and two tails. Okay, the horizontal line inside the box tells us the position of the median, and its upper and lower boundaries are its upper and lower quartiles. Okay, to make a box plot, okay, go to graph, legacy, then box plot, select a simple and define. Okay, and select what kind of variable, an age variable in this box, and again a sex variable in a category. Okay, so we have this kind of graphs. Okay, we have this kind of graphs. Look, the box contains what? A box and two tails. We have two tails, the first tail as well as the second tail for male and female. Okay, we have this kind of tails, and the horizontal line inside the box tells us the position of the median. This is the position of the median. Okay, the position of the medians, and the upper and lower boundaries are its upper and lower quartile. This is upper and lower quartiles. Okay, the tail run to the most extreme values, since for most extreme value the tail comes to here. Okay, come to here. So box plot is the sum show structure of the data along with the skewness and the spread. Okay, in the spread. So this is all about how to make a box plot.